Good afternoon and good evening here in the Philippines. Distinguished conference chair, respected panel of experts, fellow researchers, and ladies and gentlemen. Okay, it is both an honor and a privilege to present my research entitled Psychological Implications of Social Media Engagement, a comprehensive analysis of depression, anxiety, and self-esteem among youth. Okay, so social media has become one of the most influential people, while it offers social media and digital. So to continue my presentation, so for the background of the study, according to recent global estimates, billions of people actively use social media, with adolescents and young adults representing the largest group of users. So young people spend several hours each day on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and etc. So these platforms foster communication and learning, but also expose users to cyberbullying, unrealistic social comparisons, fear of missing out, and constant pressure for online validation. Okay, so these experiences have raised an important question. So, does greater engagement with social media influence the psychological well-being of young people? So, these questions serve as a foundation of our study. So, the purpose of this research was to examine the psychological implications of social media engagement among youth. Okay, so specifically, the study sought to determine the level of social media engagement, to assess the depression, anxiety, and self-esteem, and examine the relationship between social media engagement and these mental health outcomes. Okay, so ultimately, this study aims to contribute evidence that can guide educators, healthcare professionals, families, and policymakers in promoting healthier digital environments. So for the methodology, so this investigation employed a quantitatively descriptive correlational research design. So a total of 150 young individuals aged 15 to 24 years participated in the study. So participants were selected through stratified random sampling to ensure representation across different demographic groups. So data were collected using standardized questionnaires measuring social media engagement, depression, anxiety, self-esteem. So the collected data were analyzed using descriptive statistics, person-product correlation, multiple regression, and analysis of variance. So next po, ma'am. Next. Okay. So for the results, so allow me to share the major findings. So first is engagement, anxiety, while the overall okay, so indicating that the respondents demonstrate a high level of social media engagement, indicating that digital platforms have become deeply integrated into their daily routines. Okay, so second is many participants experience moderate levels of depression and anxiety, while the overall level of self-esteem was moderate. So these findings suggest that although social media provides many benefits, psychological concern remains prevalent among today's youth. Okay, so the relationship between the two variables, so the most significant finding emerged from correlational analysis. So the study revealed statistically significant positive relationship between social media engagement and depression. So likewise, a significant positive relationship was observed between social media engagement and anxiety. So, in contrast, there was a significant negative relationship between social media engagement and self esteem. So, in simple terms, greater social media engagement was associated with higher depression, higher anxiety, and lower self esteem. So these findings support social comparison theory, so which explains that individuals evaluate themselves by comparing their lives with others, and cognitive behavioral theory, which suggests that repeated exposure to negative online experiences can influence emotions and psychological functioning. Next po, ma'am. Next, ma'am. Okay, so for the discussion, so these findings highlight an important reality. So social media itself is not inherently harmful. Rather, how young people engage with social media determines whether it becomes a source of support or psychological distress. So when digital engagement encourages learning, collaboration, and meaningful social interactions, it can promote well-being. However, excessive use characterized by continuous comparison, fear of missing out, cyberbullying, and dependence on online validation may increase vulnerability to depression and anxiety while reducing self-esteem. Next, ma'am. Okay. So for the implications, so the findings have important implications across several factors. We have the educators, healthcare professionals, parents and families, and policymakers. So for the educators, digital wellness education should become an integral component of school curriculum. So mental health practitioners, early identification of psychological distress among young social media users is very important. So for parents and families, promoting a balanced digital habits and open communication can strengthen resilience, this is very important. And then for policymakers, evidence-based digital wellness initiatives and youth mental health programs should be prioritized. Next, ma'am. Okay, so for the conclusion, so this study demonstrates that social media engagement is significantly associated with important aspects of youth mental health. So, as engagement increases, depression and anxiety also increase. So while self-esteem tends to decline. So these findings remind us that technological advancement must be accompanied by equally strong investment in mental health promotion. So our challenge is not to eliminate social media from young people's lives, but to help them use it responsibly, critically, and in ways that support rather than undermine their psychological well-being. Okay, so that would be all, ma'am. So allow me to conclude with this. So technology connects the world, but protecting mental health ensures that these connections enrich rather than diminish our lives. So as researchers, educators, healthcare professionals, and policymakers, we share a collective responsibility to create digital environments where young people can thrive both online and offline. So thank you very much for your kind attention.